welcome back to my channel. Hope all you are good. I am Tipu from here. I am also good. Today we are going to do a new experiment with our A7670G with ESP32 module. This is a 4G module, and you can see this is a SIMCom A7670G. It's a 4G module, okay? And this is ESP32, and we are doing a complete series here. So today we are going to do a new experiment, how we can connect ESP32 to Google Firebase using this GSM, okay? So a very simple today's program is we connect here is a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. We just send our DHT data to Google Firebase, okay? I will show you. You can see just like it, and the circuit diagram and the initial setup of SIM A7670G with ESP32. I have a separate video, and I describe standalone how you can set up this module very easily. So please, I will put the link in the description. First, if you new this series, first watch this the setup, and then you come back and you will try this, okay? And those are already following, so I hope you already have the circuit diagram, okay? So let's go to the code, okay? First we will create a Firebase database, then we will connect with code, okay? So let's go. Okay, so open the Chrome or the browser. You just Google Firebase console, okay? And Firebase console, sorry, this one. And I already logged in, so if you are not logged in, then you can just log in with your Gmail. So that's it, and you will get this interface, and we will create a new Firebase project. We need to give a name. Let's say A7670G test devices, okay? So this is our project name, and we will continue. We don't need to enable the Google Analytics for this because we're just testing. So create a project, and it will take a while time to preparing the project. Let's wait. Okay, your Firebase project is ready, so this continue. Okay, this is the interface, and we need to do some following things, okay? So first we need to build in the project overview, project settings, and we need to create a app for this, okay? So this is the web app, and you need to give a new name here, my IoT devices, okay, and register app. Okay, just continue to console, and this is our, okay. So for this we need to this API key in our ESP code. So this is right now, and we need to build a authentication, okay? So in authentication we need to get started. Okay, we will allow the email and password, okay? So we will enable this saved, okay? And we need to create a user, okay? So let's create a user, okay, like test@email.com, and password is 1234, okay? That's it. Test@email.com and 1234, okay? 456, okay? Let's 6. Okay, so we just create a user and a password, and we created authentication, and now we create a real-time database. Okay, this is our real-time database. We will send our ESP32 data from our ESP to this. Okay, so let's create a database here. And you can just keep this default setting and next, and we are starting in test mode. Okay, so enable it. Okay, our database is ready and all our credential is ready. Now we open our code. I will put this code link in the description also, so you can just download it. And we need to make some changes here, like API key, user email, user password, and the database URL. Okay, we need to change these following things. As you you just create your, and I will create my, and so this one is the database, and we will, and don't forget to remove this HTTPS prefix from here. Okay, so this is the database, and you know we have the authentication, and this is the email. So this is the email, this is the email, and we created the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the password, user password, and we need the API key. So we will find the API key in project settings and the web apps, and this one is our API key. Okay, and API key. So this is all our credential, and you can see we have tiny GSM client library, and we need to install the Firebase client library. Okay, and this tiny GPS library is not necessary here, and this is the tiny GSM library. Okay, 0.12, and Firebase client, this is the Firebase client library, and this one is 2.2.4, latest version or update. You can update it, no problem. And that's it. We will connect our ESP32. Okay, and we will power our modem. Okay, and we will select the board ESP32 dev module, and we will select our port. Okay, and now let's upload the code. Okay, let me tell you, sometimes the first time when compiling this sketch, it will take a longer time, maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So be patient, it will compile, but you have to wait. Okay, and after once compiled, then it will not take longer on the second time, from the second time. Okay, so okay, you can see our code is uploading. Okay, we just open the serial monitor. Okay, our internet is success, network is connected, and Firebase client 2.2.4, signal quality 31, and you can see our data, humidity and temperature is already sent it. And if you open the Firebase real-time database, and you will see our live data here. Okay, this is the live data. You can see this is the live data, 68, 68, and 28.3. Okay, so this is the current data from, and if you just increase the temperature, and you can see it is updated. Okay, so that's it. Humidity 67 and temperature is 28. Okay, so it is very simple and it is very useful for you, I hope, because if you directly connect your ESP32 with GSM network in the Firebase, then it is very easily to integrate the app for you, the IoT app or sensor dashboard for you, and in the remote location you can easily use this method to sending data from your devices to Google Firebase directly, no middleware needed. Okay, so that's it today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So thank you.